Hi there, I'm Chef Taylor, executive chef and owner of Sushi Kuro, located here inside of Zeppelin Station. Just want to say thank you all so much for taking home our take-home sushi kit, or you stumbled upon it on a YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. And today I'm going to show you how to roll a hand roll. So to get everything started, we're going to start with our hand roll today. It's going to be similar in the shape of an ice cream cone, is what I like to say. You're going to grab a little bit of rice, probably about the size of a golf ball. And then from there, really utilizing your fingertips, breaking up that rice. But we are only going to cover the left side of the roll of the bamboo mat and leave the right side completely open. Once we have that, start with our ingredients, looking for 2 to 3 on this one. And then we're going to start the rolling process. Now, again, as I mentioned, ice cream cone, kind of keep that shape in mind. That's going to help you roll. All we're doing is bringing that base up and over, touching tips, rice on rice, and then we're just going to start rolling that cone shape, keeping your right hand at the bottom. Left hand is doing the rolling. Right hand is kind of folding and pinching, again, to get that ice cream cone shape. And once you have that, if some ingredients fall out, just stuff them back in at the end, and you're ready to go.